They don't even care. Hey guys, right now we are currently at Mermaid Cave. I've been here before. If you haven't seen the vlog where it was pretty much just Mermaid Cave. We're not going actually inside because they actually removed the ladder that is usually at the entrance, and I'm not doing any climbing, and I am not dressed for this at all for any swimming. And this might be blurry, but I can't really tell. But the sun is going down, and my aunt and my mom's over there trying to not fall into one of the holes. There are many out here. And then you got Mike over here. Just recording.
Flight goes to Manila.
It's okay to you one day.
Go like, ooh!
Oh.
It's been a while. If you haven't realized, other than me getting my hair cut, I haven't posted a video for the past 2 weeks because I was really busy with college. There are some weeks where I might not have a video, but eventually I will do my best to put a video up as soon as I can. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the clip. I am Umaru-chan! Okay, other than me and my weirdness, I got my Umaru part 1 of my cosplay. Well, first part of it. I do plan on actually... It's blurry! Okay, my voice just... Excuse my voice, but this is so soft and I went with it. And I'm so glad that I got it because it's so cozy. I'm so excited to wear the kawaii card! If you don't know, I am a huge otaku, weeaboo, whatever, call it, anime fan, whatever you want to call it. But this is Umaru-Doma's hoodie. Umaru-chan, and I'm super excited to cosplay as her because she has a bunch of snacks and I have a bag and I'm already gonna be prepared and it's blurry. Okay, it's blurry and I'm really prepared, excited. I even have my own hockey. I'm super excited for QuietCon. It's gonna be my first anime convention. So if you're in Hawaii and if you're going there, hit me up. I would be really glad to actually meet a subscriber or someone who's watching my videos. Because, like, I am fairly new. So, yeah. One last announcement I have is that my youth group is during a 30-hour famine. I don't have the other details for it, nor how you can help contribute to the event, but it will be held in March. And around that time, before then, hopefully, like, long before then, I will manage to get everything settled and most likely get the rest of the information to you guys by next week. If not, then I'm doomed. Will have it. I will have it by next week. Yes, I will. And all the information will be provided below by that in the link below of next week's video, not this week. The only thing that's below is all the other stuff that you actually saw, those stalls from my college. I also got some of their informations. Please do check them because things that I saw today were pretty neat and they were done by them. So definitely check those. I think they were Instagrams, websites, any other links that were provided below. Do check them out. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Umaru!